Welcome everybody. Today I'm here to give you a couple updates on BrewDub VW Adventures and Life Update. So if you're new tuning in today, my name is Craig. My wife Angie and I run BrewDub VW Adventures. We travel, we build cars, we do a little bit of everything. We've been doing this for the last 10 years. It first started out with my Beetle, a 1973 Beetle, that we started cruising around doing different things, and it's led to rescues, content. We're doing a lot of stuff with it. And that's led us into building a 71 Westie, which this week is a year where we started our cross-country venture. So we've been traveling from Florida, SoCal, NorCal, and back. I also have this 61 SO23, and I'm going to get started on here soon. Simon, if you're watching, we're getting this soon. So weather's cooling down, and it's getting to be Volkswagen weather to start working on these cars. It's very hot here still. But anyway, let's recap the last year. So the last year, we've done a lot of travel. We finished our first season of VW Garage Talk podcast series. And we're going to continue to do a season 2. It's going to be a little different. We have a lot of travel. We've been traveling all over. We've experienced VW shows around the country, and it was really cool to see the vibe all around the country. Great times, great meeting people. We love that. That's what it's all about. We've slowed down on the VW projects. As you may have noticed that we've gotten rid of a lot of projects. And the reason why is I've been having some health issues the last year. I'm okay, but it's been taking a year to kind of figure out what's going on. But we're going to get back into working on these cars. We're limiting the number of projects. We had to say goodbye to our last 2 dogs recently this year. So that's kind of put a damper on things too. So we're slowing down, shifting focus. We haven't posted as much as we have been, but we're going to get back into it. We're getting ready to get into Volkswagen groove. Show season starting back in Florida, so we're excited about that. All right, so what's new? What's coming up? The 71 bus is going to be returning back home January 3rd. Florida show season starting here. We're going to get back to camping in Florida in the bus. We're not tent camping anymore. Got a lot of camp shows going on, and I got to do a lot of updates to that. I got all of our repairs I want to do here. We're going to be doing season 2 of the podcast in the garage. We're doing a few things here, so stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on that. The 61 SO23 we're going to start on this as well. I know, Simon, you're excited. We're going to get back in this. Don't worry. It's getting cooler weather here, so we're going to start working in the garage. So we're excited about that. We have an East Coast trip planned in 2026 in the 71 Westie. So we're planning on, I'm going to button up some stuff in here on the bus once it comes back. And then we're going to make the trip up to the East Coast. So the plan is to do a fall trip to New England. And then the plan is to have the 61 ready for Busted by the Bridge 2027. That's the plan, and driving this thing out there. So we're going to see. But first off and foremost, we want to thank the community. You guys are great. Thank you for the support. We've been growing our community. That's what it's all about, getting people to interact, people from the West Coast, East Coast, and it's just having people sharing our story, you sharing your story. It's just great to meet all these people, and we just love it. That's what it's all about. We're swapping stickers with people in other countries, which is really cool. I'm going to have a wall here with different stickers on there. We're looking forward to it. We've gone on a lot of VW meets, a lot of social media. We've been in some magazine articles. You might see us in Volksmania. You might see us in VW Trend. Stay tuned. What's next? So more content. That's most important. We're going to get back to producing content again. New videos, the podcast season 2. So stay tuned on the future of BrewDub. And like I said, thanks for joining us. We do this because of you guys. We want to inspire people. Anyway, guys, have a great weekend. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining. Thanks for sticking with us on this journey. We'll see you guys later.